Hey Zachary, look, I got it!
She didn't even hesitate.
That's so awful. Nah, but I don't need it.
Why would you do that?
I want it!
Ah!
Shut up, Mike!
The National Weather Service in Minnesota has issued a severe blizzard warning for the following areas: Kitson, Roseau, Lake of the Woods, Marshall, Couchiching, Pennington, Beltrami, Polk, Red Lake, Norman, St. Louis, Mahnomen, Clearwater, Hubbard, Cook, Cass, Becker, Clay, Wilkin, Ottertail, Traverse, Wadena, Lake, and Itasca. In effect until 6 a.m. tomorrow, Thursday, Central Standard Time. Snow is expected to increase in these areas until tomorrow morning. Accumulations of 6 to 7 inches are expected by late Wednesday. The brunt of the storm is expected Wednesday night to Thursday morning. Snow, heavy at times combined with winds up to 45 to 50 miles per hour and gusts up to 25 miles per hour are expected to cause dangerous and impossible driving conditions, as well as blown over trees and debris, which will cause roadblocks and delay in travel. Travel along every highway within the following areas will be impacted significantly. Additional accumulations are expected tomorrow. Be prepared to face temperatures below -15 to -40 degrees Celsius, as well as the serious consideration of travel during the storm. A severe blizzard warning means life-threatening and serious winter weather conditions are expected. The combination of strong winds and heavy snowfall will result in dangerously low visibility and whip-out conditions. Any travel is all discouraged. Choosing to travel will risk your life. Be aware that you may become stranded and it could take many hours for emergency response to arrive. Keep a winter survival kit including a flashlight, food and water. Let someone know your travel route and expected arrival time. Make sure you have a working cell phone in case you become stranded. If you become stranded, stay within your vehicle and use it as shelter. Many deaths have occurred in blizzards when people leave their vehicles trying to seek help. Please stay tuned to local media and radio outlets for any further updates to change in weather.
Okay, Thursday, you want to play hard to get? Well, fine. The gloves are coming off. Mark my words.
I will get that number.
Wow, 1,000 contacts? Good thing I gave my number out to everyone like it was required. Except that one loser, 'cause he's a loser.